So OpenAI just released their new custom LLM, which you can basically just install in your computer and just run it offline. And this is really cool. Now, if you wanna just access this, then here's the article. I'll just provide the link down below where you can access this article. If you wanna see how effective this is in terms of benchmarks, the performance, then you can just go through this article. But anyways, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can actually install this custom LLM right into your computer, whether you're running a Windows computer or a Mac. Then yeah, this will work both for your cases. And trust me, this is very easy to set up. It will take you basically 2 to 3 minutes just to set this up. But yeah, now basically they released two models which are like open source models, and the first one is GPT OSS 20 bits. I'm just gonna be calling this bits, but I don't know if it's the exact form for not if the people call this bits or not. But anyways, there's a 20 bits and there's the 120 bits. So this is the lightweight model. Minimum RAM you need for this to run on your computer is like 16 gigabytes. And honestly, if you have exactly 16 gigabytes RAM on your computer, then I don't think this will be enough, because I am running an M2 MacBook Air myself, and it has 16 gigabytes of RAM. And when I tried to run this model after installing it, it was my laptop was freezing a lot, you know. But yeah, if you have 32 gigabytes of RAM, then I think that should work just fine. And this is the higher tier model, and if you have a completely decked out laptop which has like I think around 80 gigabytes of RAM, then I think this should work. I mean, this is what I saw in the requirements, but you can just dive deep if you're interested. But anyways, I'm just gonna be showing you how you can install this. So once you're gonna be heading over to this link, and I'll just provide the link in the description down below. You can just click on the link and just head right over to this page. And once you're here, you can just chat with it over here. Let's just say hi. I don't think it's gonna be responding because the servers may be down, because a lot of people are using it. And yeah, as you can see, their servers are down right now, but this should work once you install it locally on your computer. All right, so you're gonna be heading over to this. You can see there's a small download icon over here, so click on this. And now there are basically three ways of installing this: through Hugging Face, Ollama, and LM Studio. And based on what I've learned so far, I think Ollama is the easiest way to actually install this. It's very non-technical, and yeah, it's quite easy to set up. So once you click on here, you can see that there's a link over here. Now, if you do not have Ollama installed on your computer, by the way, Ollama is basically a tool which helps you run open source models easily on your computer. All right, so if you don't have this download on your computer, just click on this link, download it right away. And once you have downloaded Ollama, you can just I'm just gonna be searching for Ollama. All right, so once you have installed Ollama into your computer, whether that be Windows or Mac, now what you can do is you can see that there is already option for like GPT OS 20 bits, and then the 120 bits option as well. All right, so I already have the 20 bits downloaded, and whether you have downloaded it or not, you will see the options anyways. But let's say you just open it for the first time. If you write something over here and then just click the button over here, then you will see a download bar appear. Like it's gonna be like a 12 gigabytes of download that will be running on your computer. So once the download has finished, by the way, the download will trigger automatically when you just click on this button. All right, when you try to chat with it, the download button will the download panel will appear. And once the download has finished, basically the installation is complete, and it will be able to run on your computer absolutely for free. You don't need any API cost for that as well, and it can also run offline as well. And the reason that I'm not clicking on this button over here to show you guys how this works is because I have installed it on my computer, and whenever I click on this button, my computer freezes. And my settings, let me just show you my settings over here just to show you guys. I think it's in about. So basically, this is 16 gigabytes of RAM, and this is absolutely not enough. I mean, I have to basically just get rid of all the tabs that I have open, all the windows that I have open, and once I'm done with that, only then maybe it'll work. But yeah, I just tried running it once or twice, and it was causing a lot of issues. But I have seen other people work on it as well. All right. So anyways, if your computer is good enough, then you'll just, once the download is finished, you can just start running on your computer right away. All right, it's that simple. Just head over to the website, and then just click on Ollama over here. Just click on Ollama, click on download, and once Ollama is downloaded, you'll just have to yeah, basically you'll be able to chat on Ollama via the model right away. I hope I was able to explain this clearly. Now, you might be wondering why this is why do I even need this? Like, what's the purpose of this? So basically, I run an AI agency where I help businesses implement these kinds of AI solutions. Well, basically automate the manual repetitive tasks, install AI voice agents that can basically take over the phone calls. I do a lot of projects, and for developers like us, if you're running a business by yourself, then this might be useful for you as well. So basically, there are no API fees involved over here, and also this is completely HIPAA GDPR compliant because every single data remains private. So if I'm using the regular ChatGPT model over here, so if I'm using this ChatGPT model, then this is not, my data is not remaining private because I'm using ChatGPT on their servers, so my information is being shared on their servers. But if you install this GPT OSS model which they just released, if you install this and if you use it on a computer via Ollama or whether your terminal, whether however you want to use it, then your data stays completely private, and there is no way that your data is gonna be sent throughout the, like, it's not gonna leave the infrastructure by any chance. And you have total customization option over the accessible hardware. I mean, 20-bit model runs on laptops with 16 gigabytes RAM, but honestly, like, I am running a 16 gigabyte laptop myself, and it was struggling a lot. My laptop froze like 2 or 3 times when I was trying to run this up. But it's like, if you have a higher end laptop, then yeah, good luck with that. Transparent reasoning, cost per use pricing. Basically, this is a lot cheaper because you don't have any API costs and stuff. And also, this is offline ready. And basically, you can just run this on your computer offline. So if you wanna ask, like, if you don't have internet, and which is of course a very rare use case, especially in 2025. But let's say if you don't have internet, you wanna use this on your computer, then this is also a good choice. I mean, this can be a very good option for you. All right. And you basically don't need any cloud setup for this as well. It can also give you a competitive edge as well. Basically, let's say if you're running a law firm, or if you're running maybe a medical business or something, then in that case maybe your data they have to be HIPAA compliant, right? So in that case, like, it's a very hectic process if you want to make our data HIPAA compliant, especially if we're using AI. Then in that case we have a lot of things to do. But if we can just connect this to this custom large language model, then we don't have to worry about this at all. And I think this is a big step as to how our data is being handled and stuff, and how we can actually operate with AI locally on our computer, So yeah, but I don't think like this model is literally the best at what it does yet, just because OpenAI just came up with something like this, and I think this is completely brand new. And but yeah, they are sure to improve it in the near future. Anyways, I my main goal here was to just show you guys how you can just set this up on your computer within 5 minutes, and I hope this video was valuable. If so, then just feel free to hit the like button. And if you're someone who's interested in AI, you wanna see how to build cool stuff with AI, like such as AI for voice agents, AI receptionist, or maybe you're a business owner who's interested in seeing how AI could be used in your business to grow your business, to generate more revenue, get more leads, convert more customers, then yeah, just make sure to watch my other videos. I have a lot of helpful videos out there. All right, but that's it for today's video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya.